This is Realme 12 Plus, and today I'll show how you can factory reset this phone through its settings. So in the beginning, you will need to launch the Settings app. Next, enter the Additional Settings category, scroll all the way down, choose the Backup and Reset, Reset Phone, erase all data. Now input your screen lock if you have one, then tap at the Erase Data button once again, and once again after that. And the factory reset process should get underway. It is worth mentioning that before you do that, make sure that all data and files you do not want to be lost are backed up. So back every setting, property or preference, as well as every piece of data that is important to you and you do not want to lose before completing this process. Now let's simply wait for it to be finished, which you can tell by the fact that you see the initial setup menu in front of you. So let's wait for this moment to occur. So here is the initialization screen or system setup screen. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.